Now let's evaluate the value for cos 36 degree and sin 36 degree. Now let A is equal to 36 degree. Now multiplying both sides by 5, 5A is equal to 180 degree, and further we can write it 2A is equal to 180 degree negative of 3A degree. Now multiplying both sides by sine, we are having sine 2A is equal to sine 180 degree minus 3A, and this becomes sine 3A. So we are having now sine 2A is equal to sine 3A. Now let's write the formulas. Here we have used sine pi minus theta is equal to sine theta. Pi is what? Pi is 180 degree. Then we are having another sine 2A. This is twice of sine A cos A, and then sine 3A. This is equal to 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. Now just evaluating the values. Now, twice of sine A cos A is equal to 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. 2 cos A is equal to 3 minus 4 sine square A. Now what we have done? Dividing by sine A as sine A is not equal to 0. Okay. So further this becomes now twice of cos A is equal to 3 minus 4 1 minus cos square A. Now this is equal to twice of cos A is equal to 3 minus 4 plus 4 cos square A. 4 cos square A negative of 2 cos A negative of 1 is equal to 0, which is quadratic. Now in cos sin 18 and cos 18 I am sorry, first we got value for sin 16 sin 18 sorry, then cos 18. Now here for 36 we are first of all we are taking values for cos, okay, because here we are getting sin 3A, okay. Now now we are having cos A is equal to, now using the quadratic formula, negative of 2 plus minus 4 minus 4 into 4 into minus 1 upon 2 into 4. Now this becomes 2 plus minus under root 20 upon 8. Now cos 36 degree lies in first quadrant, therefore cos 36 degree will be positive. Cos 36 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 upon 4. On solving this part, what we will be having? 1 plus minus root 5 upon 4. Okay, so we got the value for cos 36 degree. Cos 36 degree is root 5 plus 4. Now by the sin 36 degree we will be getting fetching the value for sin 36 degree. Now sin 36 degree. Sin 36 degree is equal to 1 minus cos square 36 degree. This is equal to 1 minus root 5 plus 1 upon 4 whole square. Now this becomes 16 minus 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 1 upon 16, 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 4. Now, sin 36 degree is equal to 1 upon 4 10 minus 2 root 5. Answer. So we are having values for cos 36 and sin 36.